channel The Talking Fingers. And yeah, we got a good one today. This is a radio, a self-making radio, self-building radio. Just gotta open this somehow. There we go. And this requires to building it as well. If you're building one of these sets and that matches, then go ahead and don't shut off the video. You finally got. Come on. First, oh, okay, here we go. It's a bit thick. I guess not to burn it down. And we need our good old soldering iron soon. This is the most flattest speaker I've ever seen. This is pretty flat. It's like pretty heavy, pretty standard, pretty stuff like that. Let's put away. What the heck? Okay. The antenna. That's good. This control module. Let's open this user manual and let's see what we have. Is that all? That's pretty short. Oh no, yeah, that's too long. You don't, cause you can practically you can overheat them, but I do not say too much. Yeah, and what I am thinking is I'm talking too much. Okay, so this is a looks like a battery holder. This fits 2 AA batteries. This is a microchip, and this is so tiny. Wow, interesting how tiny it is. Just put that in. I'm gonna put that later back in the bag because I can lose it. Nothing is gonna work. And so, in the package we have. Can somebody tell me what the heck this is? This is a, guess a button. A button. Some of these, sticky pads. I don't know if these are sticky pads or not, but they kind of look like sticky pads. So this is gotta be kind of fun. Again with these super weird buttons. I think an input for those headphones, and I don't think we're going to be using that. Let's see what we have. So we have this little thing, and I physically know what this is and what it does. Come on, I cannot even get out of the thing. Oh, I can, okay. Huh. It is kind of wrapped in, like it's a piece of meat. A little cheap piece of meat. I see a big switch. Lots of these transistors. Kind of like the same, just a bigger pack. Kind of look the same. That's a rhyme. It's purple and this is purple. plus, plus, plus. This kind of just drops into here. And a good tip of this little thing is over here, where's the smaller thing, like this little leg, metal leg. This is the positive lead, while the longer one is the negative lead. And I'm not gonna even zoom in because so I'm gonna try and explain what every of this thing does. So this is like almost like a battery, but not really a battery. This is a little thing. It gets electricity fast or slow. It goes with electricity very fast, and then it releases it. And if you have a very old dull battery and you add like ginormous of these things, you can add a ginormous one, and after a year, switches connector. That's weird. Connector. Well, this is the world's flat. I guess the world's flattest speaker I've ever seen. Because it looks kind of flat and it has this metal ring around it. There's a chip that I think controls the whole system. You'll be guessing, what the heck is in this red package or pink? Yeah, I think it's red. And we have another chip here. But this chip is wrapped like this. Like this. There's a chip inside, if you can't see. And this is the socket for it. So first this thing goes in, and then that goes in. And these things, just pop in like this. And this pops in like this. And everything just pops in like this. I did it wrong. Okay. Antenna. This is where the signal comes in through the antenna, goes like this, goes into here. There's a screw and a knot. Just put it in there. Just kind of goes not here, but over here, and then you can just tie it or something, and then this goes on here, and that's practically all of it. So subscribe and like this video if you liked it.